Traders, how you doing? Live traders here. Just wanted to bring a quick video here. Have a couple of folks asked me about today's market, so I thought today's market and trading. So I thought I'd just bring you a quick video here as far as the market and what are my thoughts on market. Well, this is where we're sitting at. That's your weekly chart, and that is your daily chart right over here. So I'm going to put this weekly chart here. Well, clearly, when you look at the weekly chart here, in the weekly chart, this is the support area. This is the support area. This is an area. It's not a price. So always remember that. We're holding this area. We held it first time. We held the second time. We held the third time. And now we rallied. And we rallied today on a pretty good volume. Looks like what looks like to be a move that we are ready to make up here. And once we take out this here, we might see $100. Might see $100 here. So tomorrow's price action is going to be critical. For the day trading as far as the day trading goes, here are your key price points to watch. We take out 95 bucks, this market is going to flush. I mean, this market is going to capitulate. Today we held 95 bucks and we actually rallied 96.61. Just a little sell-off at the open. We actually took out the highs of today, closed the gap, and it would have been better for the bulls if we would have closed at the highs, but we had a little bit of a selling here. I'll bring the 2 minutes chart here. You can see a little bit of a selling, but nice rally from here all the way on up. But this is not so here's what you have to understand. We had a 2:30 reversal time, market reversed at 2:30. This is not a short seller rally, because short sellers rally usually happen after 3:30 time, and then we rally into the close. This is not a short seller rally. Legitimate this is a legitimate reversal from the support area. So now the question is, what happens tomorrow? These are the areas to watch. Here's the micro downtrend, and we broke above this micro downtrend, and then we came back in. Now what you have here is this area to watch. 98 is your first level of resistance. About 99 is your second level of resistance, and then $100 is your third level of resistance. So you have three R's, R1, R2, R3 resistance levels here. From a daily chart standpoint, this is what you have to look at. This is what I was thinking right here when I was talking to my traders. These two bars right here, that's the first time we saw two bar, and the third bar, what looked like was going to be a green bar, and then we sold off. We haven't had that. If you go back and take a look at it, one green bar, one green bar, one green bar, one green bar, two green bars, and then a red bar. Two green bars and a gap up. That was looking very promising for the market. And I personally sold a $96 puts, and I send the alert to my traders, $96 puts, and we're fine because we got 85 cents on those puts. So our break even is going to be 95.20. The market has to really sell off tomorrow about $1.30, which is about $2 range lately in the market. When you look at it, what's happening in the market, today's high was 97.20, 97.32 here, and then low was 95.19, so about a $2 range. So I think we'll be fine as far as the puts goes. I am not worried about those puts. Matter of fact, any gap up in the market, the volatility will squeeze so much that we will be in the money and in the morning. So that's what the market's outlook as far as the Qs goes. Right now, I'm looking at the futures and they're just absolutely flat. When you look at the IWM here, IWM is still lagging and looking bearish, but it looks like IWM wants to rally at least into this area, so 96. So you have some room there as well to rally. SPYs, same way. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff to the left right here. So about 186 has room to 186. Qs are staying stronger. And Diamond have double bottomed here. Diamond have double bottom and now it rallied So let's see what happens, Diamond. First level will be 158, and then second level will be 159 and 160. Off we go. So let's talk about a couple of trades today and how we did it in our trading room. So first trade of the day was Trip. I was in the room. I played it. I called it live, and I traded live with my traders this morning. And I'm gonna take you. I'm gonna give you a quick lesson of how to trade these gaps. This is for first of all, market was gapping down, your stock is gapping up. There's a relative strength. That's all you have to take. You have to understand that. And this was a level 2 gap. It was gapping up right into resistance. Always need to understand that. The stock is already in a downtrend. See downtrend right here. It's gapped up right over here. So what needs to happen for us to play this stock? Well, let's take a look. Let's pull up a 1-minute chart here. Let's pull up a 1-minute chart. Now that you know what the daily chart looks like, let's pull up a 1-minute chart. Let me see if I can make this a little bit better for you so we can have both daily and the 1-minute chart here. So let's go back to the 1-minute chart, and this is how we played it. I like to play on a 1-minute right over here. This once it happened 59.60. It happened 59.60. The play I called on Trip was it went up right here. This is the play I called on Trip. 60.30 by 59, or 60.30 by 50.20. So about $1 stop. Went all the way up to 63.53. I took it off and made money. Just this move, 1, 2, 3, 4 bar. I'm out. I mean, it went all the way up here. We're out. That's the first trade. Second trade we had in is in Sketcher. Same here. Look at this downtrend, a little bit of a downtrend. This thing kind of a double bottomed here. Gap just above this. When you come up to the hourly chart, very important to look at the hourly chart. You gapped above this. This is your hourly chart. You gapped above this on the hourly chart. And now let's talk about how we played this. Going back to the 1-minute chart. Now this, I'm going to talk about this a little bit because first I played it here into this area. First I played it here. So this is the area right here. I first played it into this area at 29. Went up, came back, languished around here, and I took it off at break even. Then I saw this double bottom. That's the second play. So first play was break even. Second play, very important to understand. Always keep market in your mind. Double bottom right here, red bar, a little bit of a volume, no follow through here. Came up here, right into the highs, consolidated, volume declined right here, played it again, over 29, gave it a stop to about 28.45, took targets at 30.07. That's where we took target, right up here. So it went about a little bit over 30, 30, took targets at 30.07. That was another nice trade. So made 1.5. Our well, about 1.25 hour here in Skechers. Made 1.5 in Trip, and then we played Tesla. That's a little bit for regret of the day, even though made money, and I'll show you how. This I talked to the team, my traders. I talked to them this morning, and I told them if the Tesla if the Tesla was gapping over 160, it would have been beautiful trade. The fact that it was gapping into this area, we need to wait for a pattern. And it gave a little bit of a go pattern right here. Gave us a go pattern. First trade was 150 by 147. It went up right here, came back. we took out a break even. Again, with like Sketcher, took out the highs, came back, consolidated here. We played it again, 155 by 152, boom, baby. Target at 160. That's how we played it. Nice trading here. Then there was a trade called in the room, BA. BA, we shorted the BA in the room. BA, it was on, it's more profound on a 2 minute chart, so I'll show you how we played it. BA gapping under this, all this base right here, bearish gap. Didn't play it here, didn't play it here. Needed a little bit of a rally in this gap. Sold off here, it rallied, and then consolidated this base. Just absolutely a dream breakdown. Bam, it breaks. Some traders made $8 in our room today. If you're interested in trades like this, most importantly, consistent results, please visit us at www.livetraders.net. And I can show you what I'm talking about here. www.livetraders. You can just press .com if you like. That is us right here, www.livetraders.net. This is the website. If you're interested in anything, please scroll down here and you can check out the room right now. It's only $29 for 1 week trial. We have myriad of products, and every product that we have on the website, it's for our trader success. We also offer corporate account program where we give you full leverage. If interested, please send us an email at info@livetraders.net. Have a great night.